When a patient comes in, they normally have an issue. They've got an issue, something that made them say, hey, I've got to go to the dentist. When they get here, a lot of them are expecting treatment right away. And what we do is we slow it down.
My son comes to Dr. Holley and told me how nice the staff was and relaxed, and he just felt really comfortable and sure that the doctor knew what was going on with his teeth. So I decided to try and switch. And I was very pleased with the way I was treated, my care. Everything was explained to me.
I have lots of questions usually when I want the work done, and I want to understand what's being done. And he takes the time to explain it.
I've had extensive dental work, and it was a matter of understanding the why I needed the dental work and the steps necessary to get to my desired result.
I tried to establish a friendship and a comfort level.
You feel like family around him. That's the easiest way I can explain it. He has that curiosity about how you are as a patient. What makes you feel valued?
He is the best dentist I met because not just how kind he is and all of his staff, but how clear is he giving you instructions and explaining to you the whole process. He gave me back my confidence, and I'm just so grateful for it.
The connection that I have with patients, I just try to get to know them, who they are, and let them know who I am.
I think that because he's a people person, that makes me want to keep coming back to him and make me refer other people to him because of him, his personality.
I first met Dr. Holley a couple years ago on something outside of the dentist office, and when he had told me that he was in this field, at that time I had needed some work done, and from there it's been history.
Coming to the dentist is stressful, and when I come here, when my children have come here, he takes care of the issue if there is an issue, or he explains things completely so that we can be comfortable with our experience at the dentist.
He's made me feel like I can come here and be comfortable, and that's important. If I'm nervous or anything, he knows that, hey, it's just your teeth. We're gonna get you smiling again, and he takes care of my smile. So that makes me feel like, hey, I'm home.
Knowing Dr. Holley for many years, he's a great guy, first of all, and great dentist. Just really enjoy coming here, takes good care of us, and very professional.
Consultation that he gives me, I mean, it's not like this is the only thing you can do. You got options, and he kind of like advises you, and then you make the determination from there. And I also feel as though he's reasonable, price-wise, yes.
It's not a corporate, it's just me and my staff who have been here a combined 40 years.
They're all the nicest people. They're just great. They're very helpful. Anytime you call, they accommodate you on the last minute. If you have an emergency, they're just really professional and great.
The staff is wonderful. I come in, we talk, we have a good relationship as far as making sure that when you come in, you see that they really care and they want to know if everything's okay. It's like coming home and saying, hey, I'm home, good to see you.
They're always helpful. They're always kind. They help schedule if I have to go to another, like an endodontist. They help me schedule that.
When I come in, they greet me, and then when I leave, they give me my appointments for the next time coming back. So I like that about them.
He's a people person. He pays attention to you, so I think that makes him special. If you have like a people personality, that no matter what kind of person comes into your office, you treat them the same. So I think that because he's a people person, that makes me want to keep coming back to him and make me refer other people to him.
My experience with him is that he cares, he understands what you want done, and that is his goal. He tries to follow what your visions and what your goals are, and that's something that was important to me.
He is very kind and he's gentle and he explains things.
He's very comforting. The aesthetics, first of all, the ambiance, I like that. The ambiance of the space. There's always soothing music playing, and then his demeanor just calms any anxiety. So typically I come in with anxiety, but by the time I meet with the staff, I experience the ambiance, I listen to the soothing music, and then he comes in, I'm ready for whatever procedure is scheduled for that day.
He was very thorough in what he was telling me and how to relax. He made sure I was relaxed, take a deep breath, and just trust him, and I trusted him.
My wife, she really hit it off with him. She interacted with him right off the bat. She's like, I like him, and so that's how we became Dr. Holley's patients.
We provide every aspect of dental care, from obviously cleanings. We have a very, very competent and professional hygienist who has her own assistant, so she can focus on treatment of patients, extractions, simple fillings, all the way up to implants, bone grafting. You will get whatever you need right here.